kind of like warning is like there are a lot of scammers out there who will tell you that okay, they can help you get your interview appointment letter quicker. Don't listen to them. Nobody can tell you when you're gonna get your interview appointment letter or help you get your interview appointment letter quicker. No, the only thing you can do is USA Mon. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. In this video we're going to cover December 2023 visa bulletin board. Some of you guys who are waiting for your welcome letter from NVC or any of your appointment letter from NVC, this video is going to be good for you. Even if you're waiting for interview or letter from USCIS or green card decision from USCIS, this video is for you. Just like every month, I'm gonna go over the I-130 process for some of you guys who are new on this channel. So let's say you make a decision to petition for a relative. That relative can be your parent, it can be your children, your spouse, or your siblings. So one thing you have to know is that you have to be a U.S. citizen in order to petition for your siblings, meaning your brothers and sisters, in order to petition for your parents, okay? But if you are a green card holder, you can petition for your spouse, you can petition for your children, okay? Especially children, unmarried children, okay? Now, once you make a decision to petition for that relative, what do you need to do? Okay, the first thing you need to do is to file I-130 petition. You're gonna go to USCIS website. You type I-130 form. You will see the form. You can type I-130 form instructions to see the instruction on how to fill out the form. Okay, once you fill out the form, you have to add all the required documents, pay fees, and then submit everything to USCIS. Okay, you can file I-130 petition online, but if you want to do online, you have to make sure you open USCIS account. That way you can communicate with USCIS online. Right now, once you submit your case, USCIS will review everything, and then we make a decision. If they approve the case and your relative lives overseas, meaning that your relative live on, let's say, in your home country, and then that relative will need a visa, an immigrant visa, to come to United States of America. Once the case is approved by USCIS, it will go to NVC, which is National Visa Center. Okay, but now, if your relative already lives here in the United States of America, the case will stay at USCIS level. Then what's going to happen next is your relative will adjust his or her status. Sometimes when people file I-130 petition, they file it together with I-485, which is a green card application, adjustment of status application. So if you send everything together, once the I-130 petition is approved, then your relative can start the green card process. So what exactly going to happen? Your relative will get once they submit those documents, since they already submit. If they didn't submit it with the I-130, then at that point they're gonna submit on that those documents. They're gonna fill out on I-485, submit all the required document, pay fees, and then submit it to USCIS. Then they will wait for a letter, fingerprint letter. They will go to ASC, which is appointment support center, something like that. So they have to go over the application support center. So they have to go over there to do the fingerprint. Okay, after that they have to wait for the interview letter. Once they receive the interview letter, they will go to the interview. Some people don't receive interview, so if you have to go to the interview, then they will send you the interview appointment letter. Okay, then after the interview, you have to wait for your for USCIS decision to see if they will give you a green card or not. Okay, so that's the USCIS process, because a lot of you guys ask me, why I don't talk about USCIS on process. It's simple and straightforward. Now, in case, like I say, in case your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, the case will move to NVC, right? Now, once the case moves to NVC, sometimes some visa applicant will get a welcome letter quicker because there is a visa available for them, especially if you are immediate relative. Immediate relative are children under age of a U.S. citizen, parent of U.S. citizen, spouse of U.S. citizens, those people are considered immediate relative. So once their case is approved by USCIS and moved to NVC, they will receive a welcome letter quick. Another thing, before I move forward with NVC, if your case stay at USCIS, you're gonna go through adjustment of status route. If you are not an immediate relative, which is an example of siblings of, not siblings, yeah, siblings of a U.S. citizen, like brothers and sisters of a U.S. citizen, or adult children of a U.S. citizen, those people are considered not immediate relative. So you guys have to wait for your priority date to become current on the visa bulletin board, which we're going to cover in a few minutes, before you can either get a fingerprint letter. Okay, so same thing with people who are going to NVC route. Okay, so if you are not immediate relative, you have to wait for your priority date to become current before NVC can send you a welcome letter. Okay, so once you receive a welcome letter, what's going to happen? What exactly is on the welcome letter? The welcome letter, that's when you'll get your case number and invoice ID, because you're going to use those two things to log into NVC system, which is called Computer Electronic Application Center system. Okay, you're going to use those credentials to log into the system. Once you log into the system, then you're gonna pay fees and all those stuff. So now this week, okay, according to NVC update, they are working on cases they received from USCIS on November 24th or 2023, meaning that some of you guys will receive a welcome letter and start the immigrant visa process. So once you pay the fees, you submit all the required documents, because you, the visa applicant, the intended immigrant who will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, you will submit some document called civil document. Okay, example of civil document can be your birth certificate. Okay, then the petitioner also will submit some document like affidavit of support document, affidavit of support on financial document. Excuse me, he or she or the petitioner will submit those documents as well. Now that you submit all those documents, NVC will review everything, because you have to pay fees as well. You have to pay two fees. You have to pay affidavit of support fee and also immigrant visa fee, because they're going to use those fees to process your case until the intended immigrant go to the interview. Okay, now this week NVC announced on the website that they are reviewing documents they received from you guys on November 23rd, 2023. Okay, now they review everything. If a document is not missing, everything is there's no problem with your document, you pay the correct fee and all that, your case will be documented to qualify. Okay, and then you will receive a notification email from NVC that, okay, your case is documented to qualify, meaning that you have to wait for your interview appointment letter. Okay, so now sometimes people ask questions, they send inquiry to NVC, maybe they want to know when their case will be documented to qualify, why they are not getting the interview appointment letter. Well, this week, according to NVC update, they are responding to the inquiries they received from you guys on November 30th for 2023. So make sure you check your inbox, okay, so you don't miss any email coming from NVC National Visa Center. So guys, like I say, once your case is documented to qualify, it's time for you to wait for your interview appointment letter. Again, some of you guys who are not immediate relative, you have to wait until your priority becomes current in the something called final action date chart before you will receive your interview appointment letter. Once you receive your interview appointment letter, you're gonna go through the medical examination process and then gather all document needed for your interview and then go to your interview. So basically, that's how NVC process works. Okay, I help a lot of people on doing this. I memorize this. I know exactly what's gonna come after what. Okay, one thing kind of like warning is, like, there are a lot of scammers out there who will tell you that, okay, they can help you get your interview appointment letter quicker. Don't listen to them. Nobody can tell you when you're gonna get your interview appointment letter or help you get your interview appointment letter quicker. No, The only thing you can do is like if you're in hardship, you're in life and death situation, like emergency situation, you can expedite your case because NVC give you that option to expedite your case. Once you expedite your case, it's approved. Then the U.S. consulate, send you a notification like an email, tell you exactly what you do next. Okay, so again, that's how NVC process. NVC and USCIS process works as far as I-130 petition. Okay, now, like I promised you at the beginning of this video, we're gonna cover December 2023 visa bulletin board. If you're ready, let's go in front of my computer. So guys, we're gonna cover family sponsor preferences on the visa bulletin board of December 2023. We have F1, F2A, F2B, F3 and F4 category. Okay, so let's start with the date for filing. As if you are not from the Philippines, you are not from Mexico, you are not from India, China, mainland born, this is your date for filing chart. Okay, F1 category, this is your cutoff date here, September 1st 2017. F2A September 1st 2023. F2B on January 1st 2017. F3 March 1st 2010. And F4 category March 1st 2008. Okay, so if you're from China mainland born, or if you're in F1 category, your cutoff date is going to be September 1st 2017. F2A on September 1st 2023. F2B January 1st 2017. F3 March 1st 2010. And F4 March 1st 2008. So if you're from India, you're in F1 category, your cutoff date is going to be September 1st 2017. F2A on September 1st 2023. F2B January 1st 2017. F3 March 1st 2010. And F4 category February 22nd 2006. Make sure you check your priority date against this date. If your priority date come before on this date, yes, it's current. Okay, so if you're from the Mexico F1 category, priority date is on April 1st 2005. F2A September 1st 2003. F2B August 1st 2004. F3 on June 15 2001. F4 category April 15 2001. So if you're from the Philippines, if you're in F1 category, your cutoff date is going to be April 22nd 2015. If you're in F2A category, it's going to be September 1st 2003. F2B October 1st 2013. F3 November 8 2003. And F4 category April 22nd 2004. Again, make sure your priority date comes before this date. If it comes before this date, the cutoff date, then it's current. You should receive a notification from either USCIS or NVC. Now let's cover final action dates. So if you are not from the Philippines, or you are not from Mexico, India, China mainland born, you have to check this chart right here for final action date. If you're in F1 category, the cutoff date is January 1st 2015. F2A is on February 8 2019. F2B on September 22nd 2015. F3 January 8 2009. And F4 category April 22nd 2007. Again, make sure your priority date comes before this cutoff date. If it comes before the cutoff date, it means that it's current. You're going to receive a notification from either NVC or USCIS. If you are from China mainland born, or if you're in F1 category, cutoff date is going to be January 1st 2015. F2A category February 8 2019. F2B September 22nd 2015. F3 January 8 2009. And F4 April 22nd 2007. So if you're from India in F1 category, cutoff date is going to be January 1st 2015. F2A category is going to be February 8 2019. F2B on September 22nd 2015. F3 January 8 2009. And F4 October 8 2005. So if you're from Mexico, you're in F1 category, your cutoff date is going to be May 1st 2001. F2A category February 1st 2019. F2B May 1st 2002. F3 March 22nd 1998. F4 September 15 2000. And in case you are from the Philippines, if you're in F1 category, cutoff date is going to be March 1st, 2012. F2A category on February 8, 2019. F2B, October 22nd, 2011. F3, June 8, 2002. And F4 category, August 22nd, 2002. Guys, if you like the video, click on the like button, share it, and then subscribe. Again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video.